Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Microsoft Edge browser into your Ubuntu operating system. So for that, just go to any browser and search for Microsoft Edge Insider. So just go to inside this Microsoft Edge Insider, and here you will be able to see this option for downloading the Debian or RPM file. So if you're using the Debian based distribution, so you can just download the db file. Let me just escape and download, and this will download the Debian file for installing the Microsoft Edge browser. So once this Debian file is downloaded, let me just go to the folder location and just right click to open the terminal and just type sudo dpkg-i and Microsoft Edge, and let me just enter my password. So this will install the Microsoft Edge. So this is basically a beta version only. So in future maybe Microsoft will release the stable version for this Edge browser. So if I just go to my application here and search for Edge, so you can see here this is the Microsoft Edge browser, and it's only on the beta version for the Linux operating system. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.